Now let's get to number 5. Very often, we know where the world is heading, but it's always very difficult to figure out what is the winner of the competition, right? Like, we all know that AI is a big theme. We all know that blockchains are essentially going through a massive battle, but is it Ethereum going to win? Is it Solana? Is it Avalanche? Is it Bitcoin? Is it other different blockchains that are in? It's always very difficult to realize which one. And it's very hard to keep updated with all that and be able to reshuffle and take some profits on your investments. Well, the beauty is that SwissBorg has created the Thematics. The Thematics are baskets of different tokens that you own personally, so much better than ETF, and that are essentially reshuffled within your own portfolio. So here in this case, it's very easy. You see the different Thematics, as you can see. For now, we have the gaming one, we have the blockchain, we have the gold, best of blockchain, we have the golden thematic, we have banter bundle as well. What I'm strongly believe is the gaming sector, right? This gaming sector is something that I believe in, and you could see in this example that the backtest has done extremely well, outperformed very well, essentially BTC. You could look at what is happening inside. In this basket, essentially you have different top games, top infrastructures, top communities, and some moonshots. So here, the beauty is that, let's say I'm gonna invest 100 francs in this, and you're not investing into a fund. You're actually investing into a basket of multiple different tokens, and within one click, okay? The beauty here is that I bought Avalanche, Beam, Illuvium, Upidal, X, Steppen, SwissBorg, Treasure, XI, and YGG, Yieldgate Games. So that's the beauty, and it's going to be rebalanced into your wallet, and you don't need to do anything. Just sit, relax, and enjoy the ride.